Oh shit. What's up? Okay, so not cheese. Hold on. Okay, so I have a book that has everything, not everything, a lot of things I need to do on the Exocet. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick to one thing, and I'm gonna do one thing at a time. So the first thing on the list is the throttle pedal. Okay, so the list of all of the stuff, I have a whole nother page back here. Nope, that's wiring. Oh, more stuff back here. But, so I'm gonna stick with things that are easy. So I'm gonna do throttle pedal. I'm gonna get that where it needs to go. And then I'm gonna move on probably to the seat. Because I have everything to do seat, even some metals that I can use to make it. So now, let's get cracking on the, yeah. So down here, I don't think you guys can see that at all. Okay, so I keep saying cheese. All right. So here's my dilemma. So I have a Beetle. This is from a Beetle. I could use any throttle, electronic throttle pedal, but this is just what I have right now because they all work the same. So what I run into is, so if I wanted to mount it here, my foot is like super close, would be super close to here. Now I can't even see. I gotta. So this will eventually it'll get put right there, and I probably will put nut certs in here because I want to be able to remove the tunnel, possibly to be able to remove the tranny. Anyways, so here's the pedal. You still can't really even tell, but the pedal is too close. If I mount it here, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be too close to the, like, it sticks up all stupid. I'm just trying to get this. I can't get this. So yeah, no. All right. Okay. Well, here's the pedal. But can't get it. So you can kind of see the pedal here. So if I like mount it like this, would be like straight against the firewall. It sticks up way past the brake pedal, which has this stupid cover on it, which I wanted to take off for a long time. Let me take that off. Okay, so I took that stupid cover off. Now I have holes in my pedal. I want to bring this over more, but I have this steering part in the way that you can't really see. It's just out of picture, so it's keeping me from bringing it over. So essentially, over like this close to the pedal, and you really still can't. God damn it! This is such a hard angle to get. Anyways, so I have to cut this steering thing so I can bring this over. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And then I'll try to get a better thing of it. Let me see. Try to cut this off first. Okay, so I cut this off. Now I should theoretically be able to bring this a lot closer over. So now, I'm trying to decide what to do here. And now, the other question is, I need to make, or the other thing I need to do is now I need to cut some cardboard, I think, to make the bracket. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut some cardboard and make a bracket. All right, here's my ingenious throttle pedal mount. So I got 3 studs coming out, and then I guess it's technically forever adjustable. As you can see, I didn't do these very straight, so they're kind of bleh. And then there's a third one down there. But I have a throttle pedal now. Now it does exactly how I wanted it to do. I hit my foot right here, but I can manipulate it, or if anything, I can. Where are we at here? Oh, here we go. So see, my foot will touch right here. No.
But if anything, I can like cut it here and then just put some screws in it and make like a pedal bracket, like kind of that goes like, yeah, it kind of goes like this, so it won't hit my foot. But it's like so close that my foot, my normal date like Nikes, my J's on, they're a little wide, but it's yeah, let's see, fix it in here. And then, see, there's my foot. It doesn't even, unless I go like super low on the pedal. And then heel toe is non-existent, so I'm gonna have to like heel. It's gonna have to be like that type of flipping. But yeah, see, the foot doesn't clear very much here. So now I can cross that off the list. Where is the list, Hudson? It's right here. It's right here. I got the list. So throttle pedal. Next is gonna be the seat. So for the seat, shoot, I have this OMP seat, and then these universal sliders, and then I have the side brackets. I don't know, there's a hex bug in there. So what I'm gonna do is essentially these need to go here-ish. So this is 17 across, outside to outside. I'm gonna weld some brackets in, and then these will go just like that. Oh no, Hudson, don't use that. Luckily, I don't care about this paint job. And then, so yeah, that's where I'm at with the seat. And whoa, what do I do? Cool beans. Yeah, throttle pedal's done. That's exciting. It's something.
What do you do with this?
Make circles and stuff.
What do you do?
You draw circles if you have to. So here's the seat, and then I'm gonna have to sit in it, and then get it where I need it to be. Yeah, so that'll be the next thing on the agenda. And then now, that's how I'm gonna start doing things, just one thing at a time, crossing everything off. After the seat, I got the pipe to finish the down pipe, and so on and so forth. Okay, bye. so the only thing left that I need to do is, see, I think I'm gonna switch this camera out. I'm gonna get rid of this microphone. It's broken. I think I'm gonna switch it out for light now that I got the sturdier thing. And I noticed that in my videos with the microphone, all you hear is so that's pretty stupid. So here we have, so here's this. So that's pretty sketch. So I'm gonna fill this in with the plate. I'm gonna weld all these holes back in. So what I had to do was, it was too far over and my arm was like jamming into here. And I didn't like, it was rubbing against here. So what I ended up doing was making new bars that went a little further over to get this all the way as far over as possible. So right now, in its current state, so it goes all the way back here, but it'll hit the tunnel. But I think it's all the way back right here. I don't need to go any further back than that, because then I won't reach the pedals. So I'm actually like, it's really hard. This is probably like right there, or you know, you get it. Yeah, so I need to clearance this because this slider is hitting this bolt and it's hitting this bolt, so I gotta make the hole so I can slide this over just a little bit, about 1 millimeter or less. So anyways, like what I said, I made this lip here, or this extension over, because over here I was too close to the bar and the seat was touching this, or almost touching it. I felt like my arm was just always digging into the bar here. So, just been sitting out here in the seat. So, I'll turn the exposure up a little bit. Actually, it isn't a terrible camera, actually, for what it is. So anyways, yeah. So now that I used all these bolts, mounting the new brackets, because I didn't want to, because I welded this in, and what I should have done was bolt it in, but I don't know why I didn't do that. I should have just ran bolts through here and then bolted it in, but I didn't. So now that's now it's welded in. So I wanted to make it so at least this, so I can bolt this onto here, and then lay this down, then get access to these. It's like a whole thing just to get that. So almost done with the bracket, to cross that off my list. And then the next thing I'm gonna work on is the wiring tray. As the wiring tray gets in, then I can cut all the wiring to length. I can mount my blinker module. I can mount my gauge cluster. And yeah, stuff like that. One thing that sucks is the key stopped turning. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Let's see, let's put this up here. Okay, all right. Okay. Got a love letter. Second, that's not the second seat, but second thing that I wanted to do is done. Yay. After a super long time being super picky, because that's just the way I am for certain things, not everything. I went till this thing is almost touching here, and I had to make new brackets so I can get a bunch more space on the side. So, but I'm really happy with how it ended up in a spot right here. Yeah. So the next thing I'm gonna do is work on the wiring tray and the wiring. That'll be the next thing. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this episode for now, I guess. I'll do another one on, or I'm gonna start hopefully doing the wiring soon, like I said. Got tons of stuff I need to do, mount the gauge cluster, headlights, taillights, blinkers, fuse box, which I'm still waiting for. I haven't gotten yet. I gotta contact that guy and see what the hell's going on. Yeah, cool. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.